Some time back, we took a look at this Cosmo time alarm clock. It was the model E-519, I think it says. And it works great, as shown in that video, but the alarm switch is hard to move. Really hard to move. So I want to investigate that and see if there is anything that can be done regarding that. Let me turn it back on again. This one seems to work pretty well. You can see the indicator there, but it sort of fades in and out like that. So I'm thinking a little bit of like WD-40 maybe, and we'll try it from there. I couldn't imagine it's going to really make it any worse, and it can always be cleaned off if need be. So anyways, let's see what it takes here. There is no screw in that compartment. Are there hidden ones under the... Nothing under the label, under the rubber feet? Maybe. There is a screw in the center. Perhaps it's similar to that other clock that the name escapes me, the Equity clock, I think it was. So let me take that one screw out, and we'll see if that buys us anything first. We'll unplug it, and let me get a screwdriver. Not the right screwdriver. Not the right screwdriver. But maybe... Oh, man. That's really tight. No, I don't like that. I hope it didn't strip. I didn't put much on it. Why don't you use your drill? Yeah, I don't like how that feels. Alright, let me get the right stuff and we'll see if I can get that screw out. A much better screwdriver. It's hard to even get on the screw the way they designed this thing. I don't even know. Looks right there. Nope. I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't want to go. We'll try a flat blade. There was no reason that needed to be that tight. No reason. In fact, it even twisted the tip a little bit. But there's the damn screw. There's the damn screw. There's no reason it needed to be that tight. But it just was. I guess it was that way from the factory because whoever opened this thing before, you know? So, geez, it really doesn't want to budge. It looks like the bottom should come off at this point. Very, very odd. Let's see. I don't know if there's any screws under here. I don't care if I damage them either, really. Nope, there are not. So I'll try to put that back, and I guess this is turning into a lot more of a pain in the ass, and I don't think that we're going to end up fixing it anyway, but we'll see. Let me get a case opening tool and go from there. There's no other obvious places here.
Obvious exits are north, south, and Dennis.
So it should just pop open. No other screw, certainly. So I guess we'll try a case open. Oh, wait. Something moved. Ah, finally. I don't know why it was so stuck. Oh, Jesus. Look how terrible. There's like no way to do this nicely. Ugh. Well, we're interested in this board. So, with any luck, maybe I can just take that out. And at least we can inspect the switch, if nothing else. This will give us a little more working room, but I don't want to go and start desoldering wires, and because the alarm, even if I got the little 9-volt thing out, if you can see the red and black wire there, even if I fish that through, the transducer for the alarm is still there, so that wouldn't help any. Alright, here's the board, and that's not terrible. Here, it's just I think really it's just a junky switch, but let's get a little, should we, no, you know what? Let's not do WD. Let's do some 3-in-1. Let's do some 3-in-1. I think I even have some here. Yeah, somewhere here. Here he is. Using a pen oiler with the proper oil. The red can. Always. This pen oiler, along with many others, were courtesy of Michael Gegno some time ago. Whoa. I guess you gotta really squeeze this guy to... I never actually used it. There we go. We got a little bit. I guess we didn't really need to open it. It certainly feels better already. We'll oil here now. Obviously we're doing this exceedingly sparingly. Oh yeah, huge difference. It's never going to be like perfect, but a lot better. A lot better. So let me continue oiling this. We'll put it back together and see if it works any better. Boing. Okay, maiden voyage time. We're back together. It's 4:35. Damn it, we missed it by 15 minutes. So we'll set to 4:36 now. That's good. The alarm seems to be working nicely. We'll set an alarm. 4:37. Minutes. Oh, the AC is taking a leak. .436, 4:37, perfect. And there's our indicator, on and off. Slides much easier. I could have done even a more thorough job oiling it, but that will be just fine. It's on. It doesn't, you know, once it's all the way fully in position on, it stays on, and we'll just wait for the alarm to fire and call it good. That was very timely. Excellent. Snooze. Switch off. works a lot better, and there you go. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Your head explode.